بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, all of you open page 16. This is page 16. All of you open it. Okay, students, in the previous video class, we have attempted to write the numbers up to 99. So, we have written the half part. We have written from 1 to 50, and this was also your homework. Now, we will continue from 51. Okay, start writing with me. Okay, students, after 50, we have the number 51. What is this? This is 51. And which number will come after 51? Yes, very good. 52. The number which will come after 51 is 52. Write with me, all of you. Okay, students, we have written here 52, and now we will have the number 53. After 52, we have the number 53. Write with me. Very good, students. We have written here 53, and after 53, we have here 54. Write down with me 54. Very good, excellent. We have written here 54, and after 54, which number will come? 55. Very good. We will write here 55. Okay, students, we have written here 55, and after 55, we have the number 56. Write down with me. Okay, students, we have written here 56, and after 56, we have here 57. Write down here 57. Okay, students, we have written here 57, and now after 57, we have the number 58. Write with me 58. And yes, we have written here 58, and after 58, here is the number 59. 59. Yes, this is 59. And after 59, which number will come here? 60. 60. Write down 60 here. And yes, we have written here 60. Very good. Okay, students, after 60, we have the number which will come here is 61. Write down 61. And yes, we have written here 61. And after 61, we have the number 62. This is 62. And after 62, we have here 63. Write with me. Very good. We have written here 63, and here we have 64, and after 64 we have here 65. 65. Write down here. Okay, students, we have written here 65, and after 65 we have 66. Okay, students, as you can see that we have written here 66, and after 66 we have 67. Okay, students, so we have written 65, 66, 67, and after 67 here will come 68. Write with me, all of you. So we have written here 68, and now this is 69, and after 69 we have 70. Okay students, write with me. And here we have written 70. Okay, and after 70 the next number is 71. This is 71, and after 71 we have the number 72. And after 72 we will have 73. Write down 73. And we have written here 73, and after 73 there is 74. Write down 74. After 74 then 75. This is 75, and after 75 we will have 76. Write with me. After 76, 77. After 77 we will have 78. After 78 we will have 79. This is 79, and then 79 finishes towards 80. So this is 80, and after 80 we have 81. Write with me students. So in this box after 80 we will write 81. So this is 81, and after 81 we will have here 82. This is 82, and then 83, and after 83 we will have here 84. 84, and then 85. This is 85, and then 86. After 86 we will have here 87. 87, and after 87 the number which will come is 88. Yes, now this is 88. Okay students, 87, 88, and here will come 89. So this is 89. Okay students, this is 89, and after 89 what will come here? 90. Now this is 90. So students, after 90 we will have 91. Now here we will write 91, which is already written, and in this box after 91 we will have 92. After 92 we will write 93, and after 93 we will write here 94, and after 94 we will write 95, and then 96. After 96 we will have to write 97. So we have written here 97, and then we will write 98. Okay students, we have written here 98, and the last number for this counting is 99 for this box. And here we have written 99. Okay students, very good. So students, you can see we have started our counting again for the next day, starting from 51, and then we have finished our counting from 51 and ended at 99, and we have written all these numbers in a very neat and clean writing. So now it's your homework time. What you have to do students? you have to write your remaining counting which is starting from 51 and till 99. You have to write from 51 to 99. Okay, students, you have to complete this part of the page. This is page 16, and then after finishing your homework you have to send your picture of this page in your WhatsApp group. Okay, students, share the picture of this homework in your WhatsApp group. You have to write the remaining counting. When you will write the counting from 51 to 99, then share the picture in WhatsApp group. Okay, students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe, students. Take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.